Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new page in your website using the Zoho website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a new page in your website with Zoho? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to have a specific page to each and every one of your products. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoho website builder, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and add another page into one of your, you need to click on edit site here on the top right. Once you're there, you're going to see an image of your website. So you can see the various pages I have here at the top. And if you want to add another page, you're going to click on this little plus icon here on the top left. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down and you want to click on page. Okay, so once you do that, you can go ahead and name your page. So let's go ahead and name this one Chinese food. Okay, by default, it's going to go ahead and give you URL slug. You can change this if you want. Okay, so I changed it from Chinese food to Chinese food now. You can set it as your homepage if you want to do that. I'm not going to do that. SEO, this is optional, but I would definitely recommend it if you want to try to show up on Google for search. And then same thing right here. You want to be sure to include this page in your sitemap, and you have various options if you want to add that in, header code and footer code. So if you need to add any kind of like tracking software, this is where you're going to put it. And then you're going to click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we have a new page called Chinese food right here. So we can go ahead and start building out this page in our Zoho website builder. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new page into your Zoho website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.